So, we are getting ready to go to Oregon, but Kayla is sitting here on the computer thinking that we have nowhere to go, that we don't have things to do, but we do.
Don't.
She's lazy, that's why she smells like poop. Get off of YouTube.
Ruh, ruh.
What are you, a dog now? We need to go see Shakespeare.
Little Mama.
Oh gosh.
What a Little Mama and Avenue.
Here, I'll do it for you. Here.
And then just put Avenue.
Remix.
Oh.
Girlfriend.
Wait.
This one.
It's
this
I
one.
was gonna type in. Wait. Let me show you something.
What is that one?
I know.